My name is Arun Kumar. I got placed in the Globus of Technologies. I have joined the JSPIDERS in the month of July. After joining the JSPIDERS, I learned the many languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, SQL, and Core Java. Here, the trainers are excellent in teaching. Even the non-technical students can able to learn the new technologies easily. Before I am joined to the JSPIDERS, all my seniors are told that don't join to the JSPIDERS because they will not provide any kind of jobs. But no one said that they will provide the plenty of knowledge about the new technologies and all. When I joined to the JSPIDERS, then only I came to know that they will provide a good quality of teaching and good knowledge about the new technologies. Here the core Java taught by the Mr. Shankar Narayan, the one who is excellent in teaching of core Java by giving the real-time examples. Then coming to the web technology is took by the Mr. Lakshman sir. He is very good in teaching of web technologies and the way of teaching is very good. Then coming to the SQL is took by the Mr. Shashank sir and as well as Mr. Mohan sir. The both are very good in SQL by making us to perfect in solving the SQL queries and all. At the last grooming session is taken by the Mr. Darshan sir, Abhilash sir, and the Lakshman sir. It is the very important for me to get a placed. Then I am very thankful. I am very thankful for all of us because making my life is very beautiful.